It is actually a very often asked question, and still there are no videos for this out there. So today I'm going to throw away all my pride and I'm going to show you how to go to the bathroom in your kimono. And just to make one thing clear, I'm wearing more than I usually do, so there will be no pornographic scenes in this video. Sorry to disappoint you. When you've arrived at the bathroom, open up the front skirt of your kimono. Start with the left side and then the right side. Do open up the nagajipan as well. And lastly, the susoyoke of your hadeki, the kimono underwear. Lift all those layers up and hold them in front of your waist. And if this is too much work for you, you can also tuck all those layers into your obi. And then you have both hands free. This is how it looks like from side, back, side, front. And yeah, just feel free to sit down like it is. And of course you can take your time and probably read your favorite kimono magazine. After you're done, put every layer back, starting with the susoyoke. And do always put left over right. Align them all nicely and it will look like nothing happened. When washing your hands, you can tuck the round corner of the sleeves, called tamoto, into the obi. Some do tuck it into the obishime. This just makes sure that the sleeves don't end up in water. And I always do recommend to dry your hands nicely with a towel so your kimono won't get wet. Lastly, straighten out so it looks like nothing happened and you're done. Yep, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed this rather embarrassing video. If you want to see more kimono content like this, probably not like this, but kimono content, feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet, comment, like and share this video. If we haven't met yet, my name is Matsunaga and I'm a licensed kimono teacher and stylist living in Japan. And I talk to you in my video next week. Bye!